We need to make 3 groups of 5. Remember, the 3 groups have to be equal groups. You can see the 3 groups of 5 beans in this picture. Necesitamos hacer 3 grupos de 5. Acuérdense, los 3 grupos tienen que ser iguales. Puedes ver los 3 grupos de 5 frijoles en esta foto. The groups you see are called columns because the groups are up and down. Say columns. Los grupos que ven se llaman columnas porque los grupos están arriba y abajo, vertical. Di la palabra columna. In each column we have 5 beans and we have 3 equal columns. We have a total of how many beans? Well, we can find this by a repeated addition sentence for the columns. We have 5 beans. We have 5 beans in each column. So we can write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. The total of all of our columns together make the array. Our array has 15 beans. We need to now make 5 groups of 3. You can see 5 groups of 3 beans. The groups you see are called rows because the groups are from left to right. They are horizontal. In each row we have 3 beans and we have 5 equal rows. We have a total of how many beans? We can represent the total by using a repeated addition sentence. What do you think that repeated addition sentence is? En cada fila tenemos 3 frijoles y tenemos 5 filas iguales. Tenemos un total de ¿cuántos frijoles? The repeated addition for the rows is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. La suma repetida para las filas es 3 más 3 más 3 más 3 más 3 igual a 15. Now it's time for you to practice. You're going to go to Google Classroom on Marvelous Monday, right? That's where we were before we started watching the video. And you're going to go to the next slide. And the practice is going to be there for you. It says make an array with X's that has 3 columns of 4. Take vertical lines to separate the columns. You're going to see this section over here. If you don't see it, make sure you scroll to the left so you can see the X's and the columns. So now all you have to do is click an X. When it's highlighted, you're going to drag it over to this little square and you're going to start making your 3 columns of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to remember to separate the columns with a vertical line. Now you will continue to do this until you get your 3 columns of 4. Afterwards, you will fill in the blanks to make your repeated addition sentence and give me the total. You have 2 to practice. After you practice, you will go ahead and go to the next slide to complete your exit ticket at the Google form. And then finally, you will go to Zearn. These are the steps to logging into Zearn. You have any questions? Go ahead and comment on our main page in our Google Classroom. All right, Children's and Lions, you can do it. You got this. We'll talk to you later. Bye.